Hello everyone. Today I am going to have a very short video, but probably this will be useful for you. And we are going to talk about a long forgotten gem that a lot of people don't even probably remember nowadays. And that is the JavaScript type of URLs. I'll show you this with a use case, and which is what I generally use. So probably it could be helpful for you as well. So here we are seeing a web page which is only using the 70% of the page width. And it is doing it in div style. It could be in CSS or whatever, doesn't really matter. But just to show you very easily, I am doing it with style and div tag itself. So this is how the web page looks like. I don't know why a lot of web pages nowadays do this, where the content is only in the middle, 50% of the page, and rest of the page is not used. But I generally don't like that. I want the content to be at least 90% or 100% of the whole page. That being said, this is how the page looks like, and I want to ensure that I am using the whole 100%. One of the quick ways to do this would be go to inspect, then search which div has 70% and remove it, right? So if I can come here and just make it 100%, this will become a fluid kind of a design where I can modify my size of the window and the content will contract or expand on the size of the window. But finding this is not so easy every time when you have a huge website and a huge content in the website, and it becomes a little difficult. And that's where JavaScripts come in. So I'll refresh this page, and again you can see that it has gone back to 70%. So what we will do is we will write a quick one-line JavaScript that can remove this style tag. And I have done that by using JavaCPT again. And I have just said that this is my prompt. I want to create a bookmarklet that will remove any width option from all the div elements. Okay. Once you do this, LLM is going to tell you what is the code, which is this. I'll copy this, and then it will also tell you how to use it. Basically, it tells you that copy this code, create a new bookmark, paste that code, name it, and you are done. But before we do that, probably we can quickly test this. And for testing this, what we can do is go into Dev Console by clicking here and going to More Tools, Web Developer Tools, and then you can come to Console and just paste the content that we have just now copied and press enter. And as you can see, now it doesn't have the 70% limitation that it had earlier. And if we go back to checking this div, the style element is gone now, right? So this is exactly what we want. Now I will reload this just that so that we have that 70% limitation again. And then I'll go here, click on add bookmark. I'll say remove width style. I don't know why I didn't put spaces, but I can put spaces here. And then in the URL part, I'll give the exact same thing that I had copied from there, right? So including the JavaScript. Now the type of the URL for this is JavaScript, which means that I can have JavaScript in my bookmark itself. If you want, you can give a tag and keyword for this, but I don't need anything. And I am adding it in my bookmarklet bar, so it is easily accessible for me. So as you can see now, it is very easily accessible to me, and I can close my developer toolbar. And once the page loads, which it is right now, I can just click here and it will remove the width part from the div, and the page will become 100%. This is just an example that I have shown you with a very specific use case, but now you can realize how useful this could be, right? You can use any JavaScript in this bookmarklet, and This can do a lot of things that you might want to do. So that's all I had for today. Thank you.